Though the stranger's land may be bright and fair, and rich in all treasures golden, as down the glen one Easter morn to a city fair rode I. There armed lines of marching men. On the now is a follow the dawn, follow the day. I sat within a valley green. I sat there with my true love. My heart strove to choose between the old love and the new love. The old for her, the new that made me think on Ireland dearly, while soft wind blew down the glade and shook the golden barley. Is so gurvatu no garek to Amhran ton schnock the gefressak favel namen. Take this sinking boat and point it north. We've still got time. Raise your hopeful voice. You have a choice. You've made it now. It's been 7 hours